Hello everybody, welcome to part 3 on how to make your own FNAF scratch game. Now today we're going to be making the newspaper and maybe the room, I don't know. It depends on the time. Now, so we gotta get started with, so when you press the press the new game button, it loads you in. So events, when this sprite is clicked. Do we have a variable for nights yet? No. So we're gonna need a new variable. We're gonna call it nights for all sprites. It's gonna count, just gonna count the nights. Now set nights to 1, and that's it. It's gonna be for later though. Then we gotta get a broadcast new game. So broadcast. Oh, new game's already in there. I didn't know I already put a new game button in. Well, we got new game, so we gotta make it so when this fade. What is this again? Is it the same thing? Let me just. Oh yeah. So we gotta make a new sprite. This is gonna be the newspaper. So we're gonna paint. And then we're gonna design a. You know what? We're just gonna design a really quick newspaper. It's gonna be really easy to do. I'm gonna make it like a nice gray color. We gotta set that all the way to white and make it a nice gray. And now we're just gonna split it up like a regular newspaper, like this. And then like that. Now we're gonna start putting the text in, so this is gonna be a long process. First, we gotta make the headline, so I'm just gonna do that. Make this completely, not completely, like slightly like that. Then we're going to grab the text option. Serif is a really good one. I suggest you use serif. And then we're just gonna make this a light gray and put in all caps, help wanted. I'm sorry about all the noise upstairs. My siblings. Just gonna. There. Just put a little smiley face. Just to add some flair. Now I'm gonna make it bigger. This is a headline. Set this is 00 and see how it looks. I think this might be a little too big, so we're just gonna shrink it down a little. So we can see it on the stage and see how it looks. Why is it doing that? That's not how it's supposed to look. That's not how it looks. What's going on? I'm just gonna make it smaller then. Help wanted. There. Now, after that, we're going to design the little picture with the character's face on it. So we're just going to this tool, and that, and then draw a little square. It's gonna have the face on it. Oh, I think we should move this line down. It's a little too high up, so we can add more text to the. There. Now we can go here and we could just, since we grouped this, it's gonna be pretty easy. We can just copy it and paste it. And in it goes. Just gonna move it a little sideways to add a little flare. It needs to be a little bigger. It's not big enough. There we go. Let's just put... how about we just... we gotta make this a little smaller, so let's just type whatever we want in there. And shrink it. And then make it a nice dark color. Now we're gonna type in whatever you think that it should be. So like... new... diner... Hopefully that's how you spell diner. Oh, that's how you spell diner. I don't know. Open... for... business. That's hopefully how you spell business. I don't really care anymore. Open for business. How about for parents and children. Did I spell children? Alike. My siblings are being really annoying right now and running around the entire house. I think we should shrink this. It's a little too big. And it's in the way. The text. You don't want it to be too small. You want them to actually be... No. Just copy and paste this so it's the same size, and then just change the text. So... needs... night... That's not how you spell night. That's still not how you spell night. Night guard. Alright, let's just put a number, like a phone number. So just put copy, paste. I'm sorry. I'm gonna go get my siblings to shut up. I got my siblings to shut up. That's super good. I mean, it might sound a little rude, but they deserved it. 1-800. How about Hops Diner? That's not a real number. And let's just copy this real quick and put number on the top, so it says number. It's not really good. Whoops. Let's just put phone. Alright, there we go. Let's make that slightly bigger. How about we make it just a little bit bigger? Number phone. There we go. And that we need to decorate a little more. Let's hide a little joke in some of the things. So I'm just gonna put Yas in a serif. Just right there, just to hide it. And I wasn't expecting this big of a thing. How about we just move this upward? Now that we're done with the newspaper, we're going to grab this and grab this special tool. It's just gonna... That's not right. Swap. Make that transparent. We need this to be completely black, so... So screw this. It needs to die. Need a better one. I keep messing up. God damn it. I'm so sorry. But now I'm just gonna make this a nice, really dark color. Like that. Yeah, like that. I think that's a little too dark. Yeah, I think that's a little too dark. I'm gonna fix that real quick. There. Now we're gonna select the entire thing, upscale it, and then turn it sideways. Gotta like make it big enough so it covers the entire thing. Make it really big. Just make it humongous. It's not big enough. I just, you know, I could just... I'm just gonna zoom out, you know? I can't zoom out anymore because of how large it is. You need to be bigger. Let me just... Can't zoom out. It's really as big as it gets, I think. Not dark enough. Oh my god. There. Now that the newspaper is done, we're going to start coding. So when green flag clicked, hide and go to 0, 0. Go to 0, 0. I'm sorry that doing all that took so long. Newspapers take a long time. Wait, no, that goes up there. Now we're gonna get when I receive new game. So I receive new game. Go to front layer. Go to front layer. Show and set goes to 100. Set goes to effect 100. Like that. Now I'm gonna make it so it repeats, so it like fades in. So repeat 100 times. Let's just have a look how it looks so far. See if everything's doing it just what it's supposed to do. Wait, isn't it supposed to like... You're supposed to make everything... I think I remembered I had to do something. Oh yeah. I had to make it so all this stuff hides. Well, we're going to just stop what we're doing with the newspaper for now and fix what we forgot to do. So, just wait a second. When I receive new game. It's already a new game, okay. No, really? I hate it when it does this. It's so annoying. Stop all, but then change all to other scripts in this sprite. Wait 3 seconds, then hide. So wait 3 seconds, hide. Wait, I forgot to get to wait 3 seconds. Wait 3 seconds, and then it's gonna hide. So let's just go get the hide block. There we go. Now we have to put that in all of these. So title, sprite, the animatronic, the credits, the static, continue, and I think we also have to put it in fade, just sprite 4, but maybe no, we do not have to put it in fade. There. So now it will wait 3 seconds, stop other scripts in sprite, and wait 3 seconds and hide. Now that that's working, we can actually do it properly. Just start actually coding the newspaper. I'm so sorry about that. I was being such an idiot. No. It's not. Wait, I just realized I misspelled children. So many mistakes, but that's part of the process. That's just how it works. No. I'm going to copy this so I do not. I have to re-put it in. There we go. It's fixed. Now I can just paste the thing back in. There we go. Now it's fixed. Now the typo is fixed. All right. I'm just set this to 100, and it's gonna change ghost effect. So it's gonna change ghost effect by -2. So it took me a while to figure that out. Change ghost effect by 2. -2 has to be -2. I think I forgot about that. And it's gonna wait 6 seconds, and then it's gonna go back. So now 2 seconds. I'm gonna put it for 5 seconds. 5. Let's see if this works. There we go. No. Yeah, see? It's working. Then, after 5 seconds, it will fade out. There we go. It works, but I think I did something with the knights that messed it up. Did I do that? Is that right? I think it was supposed to be set, wasn't it? Oh man, I did this wrong. Yeah, this is not when you click new game, it shouldn't change. It should say set. I completely messed up. Set nights to 1, not change. I feel like such an idiot right now. Now that it does this, after it fades out, it should hide and then broadcast nights, which will activate us going into the room. So hide. Here's hide. And then it's gonna have to make a new one, a new broadcast. Oh, we already have a broadcast. Nice. No. Alright, so I think we should actually start naming all that stuff, because I forgot to name the new game button, so I'm just gonna name it new game, and then we're just gonna name this continue, because I keep forgetting to do everything. I'm sorry, I'm very bad at spelling. I'm terrible at it. Continue. I'm gonna call this fade, so F-A-D-E. Let me guess, my sister's running around upstairs again, making a lot of noise, because I don't have I'm not gonna sit in my closet and do this, because my back will hurt. So, wait, oh yeah, news. Paper. There we go. Now we made the newspaper. This video is going to be a little longer because we're going to make the room. So we have to make a new... Actually, I just remembered we got to make the loading screen before we do anything. Before we actually make the room, because it won't load properly if we don't make the loading screen. So now... Actually, no, not the loading screen. God damn it, we got to make the nights system. So when you, start the nights, it will make a little menu. So we're gonna just do 3 nights for now. You can add as many nights as you want, but right now we don't really have that much time, so I'm just gonna make 3. So so we're gonna go here, make it like just make this text color like a nice red, make it a little dark. Night 1. Now we gotta set it to 00. I forgot to do that. Most important part. Oh, I forgot the background has to be the same color as the background for the thing has to be the same color as the actual background. So it's just this. Sprite 2. There. Now it won't look weird. Now that we have night 1, we're just gonna duplicate it. Let's just name this 1, 2. Uh-oh. 2. There we go. Night 1 and night 2. Now we can start coding it. So when green flag clicked, go to 0, 0 and hide. So 00. And hide. Now when it receives nights, when I receive nights, go to front layer and show. When it does the weird bouncy thing, it makes it go back up. Front layer, show. Now we're gonna let's just grab a bunch of ifs. So if, well, for now there's only 2 nights. So we only really need 2, but the more nights you have, the more ifs you will need. So if I have like 10 nights, you'll need 10 if blocks. But right now, for easiness, and not having to copy it over, we're gonna do one and then we'll just copy it. So if nights is equal to 1, so here's in operations equal to 1, it will switch costume to night 1. Wait 7 seconds. Or just wait, you can do wait 1 second if you want. So we're just gonna do like 3 seconds, and then it's gonna broadcast clock in, which will do the loading screen thing. So just put clock in. Now we'll just copy this over and change this, this to 2, and change costume to 2. Let's test it. We could add a sound effect if we wanted to, which I will put in the hops tutorial project over on my Scratch. I'll leave a link for it in the description. So now that it does this, let's just test it. This game is spooky, I know. There's not going to be a way to skip this, by the way. I didn't add a skip option. There we go. Now, when we press new game, it loads it. Then it goes away. And then, yeah, night 1. Haha! And then nothing happens because it clocks in, but there's nothing to receive clock in. So now we're going to make the loading option, which is clock in. I think we should hide these variables. Now let's just paint, and we're going to make a little like thingy that looks like a mouse. It's like a mouse on a computer. I'm just gonna draw it. You're gonna make it pretty small. And then we're gonna make it so it has a thick outline. It's a little too thick. It needs to be like 6 maybe. Make it so it's clear, and make the outline a really bright white color, like this, so you can see it. But it's not centered, so you can't really see it. 0, 0. Now that that's there, it's a little too close to the corner for my comfort, so we're just gonna move it this way. And we're gonna add a little line, a little line, if you must say, down the middle, like that. This is gonna blink on and off as you're loading into the game. So when green flag clicked, hide and go to 0, 0. No, that's why almost everything after this. Go to 0, 0. And hide. Hide. There we go. Now, when I receive clock in, go to front layer and show. So go to front layer, show, then forever set ghost effect to 0. So forever set ghost effect to 0. Ghost effect to 0. Ghost. Oh, it was already 0. Stupid me. Then it's going to repeat in here, and then change ghost effect by 5. So change ghost effect by 5. I mean, you could do color effect if you wanted to and make it like change colors, but I'm just gonna make it blank in and out. So 5. Then it's gonna do it again. Duplicate. That's not what I wanted. 5. Then it's gonna go -5. Let's just see how that looks by running this. I think that's a little too much. Don't you know? Don't you think it's a little too fast? Let's just change this to 3. -3. Actually, I'm just gonna put a little 0.5 seconds. I gotta put that right here as well. Oh, whoops. Yeah. What? That? I think I should change this back to 5. It's not doing it properly. Let's just see how it looks now. I think that looks better. After you do all that, I took a little too long. So we gotta get another when I receive clock in. Wait. And then get operators and pick random. 5 to 9 seconds. Just 5 to 9. Well, we could do like 5 to 7, but we gotta do 9. There we go. And then it's gonna stop other scripts in this sprite. So stop other scripts in this sprite and broadcast in game. So broadcast in game. It's gonna put a new message. So in game. When it broadcasts this, it will load you into game. Now, this is going to be the end of the video, and I'm going to show you next video how to, make the actual room. I'm sorry we didn't get to do it, but, time. But before we do that, I'm going to just show you how it looks. This game is spooky. Here we go, see? And then new game. Does this. Just gotta wait. And then pow! Night 1. Wait, it should disappear after this. We gotta fix this. I forgot to put hide after it waits 3 seconds. Silly me. Hide. See? Now it's unloading. Then it stops. Did I also forget to put hide in the... I also forgot to put hide in here. Let's just wait. There we go. Then it loads. You know what? Screw this. We're actually gonna do it. I don't care. We're going to make the room. I don't care how long the video is. We're going to do it. Now, defying what I said earlier, we're gonna make the room. Okay, so we're just gonna press paint. Let me just quickly. Now, to design the room, we're just going to do this. We're going to make a big boy, which is just going to be the regular mid section of the room. And we're going to paint through the walls, so it's just going to be like a nice gray. So this is the wall. By the way, there has to be no outlines for this. It has to be centered as well. Now, this is just going to be the wall. We also have to make the floors. So we're going to this. And then we're going to do this. We're going to match it up. Like that. Then we're going to, it's going to create like illusion of depth. Now we're going to make the ground dark. Like pretty dark. Like a regular ground. See how it's going? You see how it's looking? It looks amazing, right? I think this wall isn't long enough. I'm just gonna make it a little longer. Well, I'm just gonna change this now. There we go. The wall is long enough for like drawings and stuff. Now we gotta make the ceiling, which is basically the same thing, just flipped upside down in a slightly lighter color. I think we should make the floor a little darker. So, copy, paste, flip. Yeah, make it slightly lighter. There we go. Now we're gonna make the walls. So the walls are just big blocks. They're literally so easy. Just do this and put it to back layer and change the color. So like this. I'm just gonna copy and paste this and put it over here. Back. Now, I forgot to tell you something. I really forgot to do some stuff. Okay, so the walls actually have to reach all the way over here. And then we also gotta change this so it extends far enough for it to make sense. I completely messed up this room design. Now, let's get to extend this as well, just so it matches properly. Yeah, that looks better. Now, we also gotta make this a little larger as well. I completely messed up. I'm such a goddamn idiot. Doesn't look right. You want to zoom in so we can actually line it up properly. I'm such an idiot. Yeah. There we go. That's way better. Now we're going to decorate it a little. So let's just make a, like a little drawing, just right here. It's gonna be on some nice white paper, but the white paper is gonna be slightly yellow for being on the wall so long. And we're just gonna do a nice crude little drawing of the bunny. So purple. There. There. And then it's just gonna this is just gonna be a really fast drawing. It's not gonna be that much work into it. I forgot, does he have a bow tie on it? I don't remember. No, he never had a bow tie. Okay. Must be pretty bland. Just put his face on there. There. Small little drawing. Now this is going to be the little thing that keeps it up on the wall. And we're going to just maybe add something. Like, oh wait, yeah, we gotta add the doors. So, just do this. These are for later when we do the door system. If the future is bright. Then is that good? I don't really know if that's good enough. It's too close to the other wall. Let's just move it back like that. There we go. Copy paste. Wait, I forgot. These have to be just outlines, not actual. There we go. Now just move this down so it matches up with the floor. Nice door. Copy, paste, flip. And move this over here. Backward, 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 backward. There. The doors. Now, you can add whatever you want to these walls, but you have to have the doors and maybe a picture of the animatronic. I don't really care. But you also gotta erase the space in between the doors. So we're just gonna grab the erase tool and zoom in really close to it. So, no, that's not right. Uh-oh. This takes a while. You just gotta erase the inside of the door without damaging the actual line work of the door. So I'll speed this part up. So you don't have to watch me do this. That's not... Keep freaking... Ah! No! Stupid door! There. And that's part of the door. Going time, every quarter two. Maybe it's time to let... You know what? We don't have to erase the doors right now, do we? I don't want to, because it's so goddamn annoying. I'm so annoyed. It makes me so sad that it's so annoying to erase the goddamn doors. Ah! You know what? We'll deal with it right now. We'll erase them later. Okay, let's save project. Okay, we'll do it later, alright? Because I don't want to erase it right now, because it's so goddamn annoying. Alright. I need to calm down. Now we're going to code the actual room. So... Is that the word? Oh. So when we receive in-game, no, not clock in-game, show And then forever. We gotta go to control and get forever. And we're gonna set X. We're gonna grab set X2 and set Y2, and then we're gonna grab mouse X, mouse Y. So mouse X, mouse Y. We're not gonna put them in there yet. We gotta get another block before we do that. Gotta get the plus block. What was it? Times block. It's times. I'm sorry. Times block. There. Times block there, and then put it there. Now what we're gonna do is put some, fidget with some inputs. I already have some really good inputs, but if you want to do your own inputs, that's you can do that. But the ideal input for X is negative 0.5, and the ideal one for Y is negative 0.10. So negative 0.5, negative 0.10. There we go. Let's see how that looks. As you can see, we're looking around. But look! You could see the other side of the room. You can see the outside. Yeah, there's an easy way to fix that. Just go in here and extend it a little bit. So extend this. Boom. Now you can't see that. Now you can't see that. You can still see it a little, but you don't have to point it out. Now I'm just going to extend these so that you don't see the outside of the world. I gotta fix all this. I gotta fix this. Oh no, it's not back. It's not back properly. Backward. 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 There we go. It's still not fixed. Okay. No, we're just gonna groove with it. Just gonna groove with you being able to see a little bit over the world, and that's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's so annoying. But see, look, your mouse now controls where you're looking. You can see slightly up and down, left and right. See the doors. There's later gonna be buttons right there that you press and they will go up and down. But that's not gonna be now. We're gonna make another thing just to add a little more depth to the game. We're gonna add. It's basically the same thing. Oh, wait, no, I forgot to do something in here. I'm so sorry. When green flag clicked. Go to 0, 0 and hide. I'm so sorry. I'm an idiot right now. I'm being an idiot. 0. This is the longest video I've ever done. It's like an hour long, so yeah, hide. Gotta go to hide. Hide. There, now it'll fix it. Now we can copy it, aka duplicate. Now that we've duplicated it, we literally don't change anything except this and the inputs of the mouse X and mouse Y. So we're just gonna make a small table. Now the best way to make this table is to just make a big boy like this. Just a really big boy. And how about we he's not that big actually. I'm so sorry. He's pretty small. He's insignificant to the universe, just like me. Anyway, now that we made that, make another big boy which lines up perfectly with the other one. Like that. There we go. It has to line up absolutely perfect. So if it doesn't, then you done goofed. Because if it doesn't, then it looks terrible. That's good. Now we just gotta make it be at the front. And now we gotta make this. Actually, no, sorry. We gotta morph this to look like this. There. That looks a little bit like table. Now we gotta make this a nice brown color. So brown. How are you gonna do brown? Oh, ooh, nice. Like a red brown. Make it look. I'm gonna keep it like this, and then like do this, and then make this bottom part darker, so it makes like a 3D effect, like that. Doesn't line up perfectly. It doesn't matter. Now we gotta make the legs, so we're just gonna make 2 big boys the same color as the top one. So 2 long boys like this. Sit on the back layer and copy paste back layer. Do they line up? No, because if they don't line up, it's gonna bug the poo poo out of me. There we go. Now we're just going to do a little command to see if it works properly. So broadcast. Not new game. In game. Where'd my boy go? Where's my boy? Oh yeah, he's not front layer. He needs to be. I need to move him up a layer. He's too far behind. Go to front layer. Now see, there's a table. But you may be saying, the table looks like it's too far away. Yeah. Either way to fix that. Just select it, move it down. There. And that's not close enough. There we go. Now we're just gonna make a little TV for the table. Just like a little TV boy. Little TV. Now this is how you create curved squares. By the way, I'm gonna put this down on the table. Make it a nice dark color. Like that. It's too dark. Like that. There we go. And now we're going to copy this and paste it and shrink it a little bit. Like that. And make it darker. It's the screen. It's a monitor. Now we're just gonna move it up a little bit so we can put the little buttons. Now we go down and go really close in. Make a tiny circle. Just tiny circle. Make it green or red. I don't really care what you do with your life. It's gonna be green for me. Move it to the right spot, like right here. It's not the right spot yet. I need to be perfect spot. There we go. Now we're gonna add antenna. Now to add the antenna, I'm sorry. Add the antenna. Do this, and just make the lines really thick. So, wham, antenna. Let's just upsize it a little bit. It's too. There. Now we just gotta put the back layer. You got a TV on your table. Now we're gonna make it seem like there's depth to the TV and table. So we're going to change these values a little bit. So we're gonna change mouse X to negative 0.7. So it's just changed to 5 to 7. 7. And then change to 10 to... Wait, no, you don't change to 10. I'm sorry. See how much depth it has now? So much more depth, right? That was so much better. Now, let's test it. Let's test the game. I know it's spooky. I created it. I'm not an idiot. Well, sometimes I'm an idiot, but not all the time. Let's just have a look. See the game? No? New game? Wait, did we forget to code the continue button? Oh, I think we forgot to code the continue button. Oh, man. Yeah. See? Isn't that great? You're in the game. You can now be in the actual office. So you could add like a little checkered thing. You could erase the doors, which I am really annoyed about. Couldn't erase the doors, but I will do that later off screen. You just gotta erase the inside of the door. Only the inside of the door, nothing else. Which is caca, because it's so darn hard. So now that you are able to get into the game, that will be all for today. But first we gotta fix the goddamn button. So we gotta make it so when he clicks it, it does the same thing, but instead of broadcasting new game, it will broadcast nights, and it will not set night. So duplicate. No, why did I duplicate it? You don't need to duplicate. Just drag it into here. Boom. Boom. Change this to nights. It'll just get you straight into the game. But you also gotta do this. Wait, let me check. New game. What? I'm sorry. I'll be back. I'll be back in a couple seconds. Alright, figured it out. So we just gotta copy new game and then change it to nights. I feel like such an idiot right now. It took me like 10 minutes to figure that out. So save new game. I receive nights. When I receive not new game nights. Clean up blocks. There we go. Now the blocks look way better. Title. When I receive nights. What am I doing? I could just do this. I feel like such an idiot right now. Now let's check. Check if it actually does anything. Wish I made a way to skip this for testing. But no, I didn't. I regret it. Okay, let's check. Yep, immediately puts you in. That's good. That's good. So now that everything works, that will be it for today's tutorial. This was a long one because I wanted to show you how to do everything. I hope you all have a great day. And I'll see you next time for part 4.